Compania Boeing anticipează că noua sa aeronavă va consuma cu 10% mai puțin combustibil. Avionul pare fiabil și ușor de pilotat.
A lot of the controls and indications are very intuitive, and they'll be in the right place to be very familiar with the functions and features. So it'll be a very familiar environment for 777 and 787.
Ridicarea restricțiilor de călătorie cauzate de pandemia COVID-19 a reprezentat o gură de oxigen pentru toate companiile aeriene. Cererea pentru călătoriile cu avionul se dovedește mai mare decât previzionau specialiștii.
As we've moved through 2022, what we've seen is, in fact, as markets have opened and restrictions have dropped, the market demand for air travel has actually increased faster than we mostly have thought.
We've never seen a situation quite like this. You know, you had an unprecedented demand drop back in 2020, and we're coming roaring back. And at the same time, you've got very high fuel prices. So airlines want new jets to meet demand, and they want new jets because of the importance of saving on fuel, which in this fuel environment is absolutely crucial.
Obsesia opiniei publice pentru atingerea nivelului zero de emisii poluante va duce la schimbarea opticii și tacticii companiilor aeriene.
Most likely it'll be a mix of emerging technologies like sustainable aviation fuel coupled with slightly lower demand growth rates to achieve anything like the goals that we aspire to. Now, we're only about 2 or 3% of world emissions, so, you know, perhaps it's okay if we're the last to decarbonize, but on the other hand, people pay a great deal of attention to us.
Anul trecut, zeci de avioane Boeing 777 au fost oprite la sol în Statele Unite și Japonia, după ce motorul unui avion a luat foc în timpul zborului. De asemenea, compania încearcă să-și revină în urma impactului generat de pandemie și daunele pe care trebuie să le plătească familiilor victimelor a 2 accidente aviatice cu avioanele 737 MAX.